Hello everyone, welcome back to Your Teacher HD, where we make learning English easy and fun. I am your teacher, and today we are diving into a super interesting topic, collective noun. Have you ever wondered what to call a group of people, animals, or things, or all together? Well, that's exactly what we'll explore today. So, what exactly is a collective noun? Collective noun होता क्या है? Simply put, a collective noun is a word that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a single entity. For example, the word team refers to a group of players, but we think of them as one unit, a team. कलेक्टिव नाउन में होता क्या है? ग्रुप ऑफ लोगों के लिए बात होती है, ग्रुप ऑफ टीम की बात होती है, लेकिन वो एट द एंड किसके बारे में बात होती है? एक यूनिट की, वन यूनिट की. Okay, so that is what is collective noun. So we now know the definition of collective noun. Let's break that down a bit more. A collective noun is a noun that represents a collection of individuals or items. It helps us talk about multiple things as one single entity. This makes our language more efficient and descriptive. Okay? ज्यादा एग्जाम्पल के साथ जो है कलेक्टिव नाउन समझेंगे, जैसे कि आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा कि कलेक्टिव नाउन होता क्या है. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कलेक्टिव नाउन. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, अ स्वॉर्म ऑफ बीज. अगर आप किसी मैंगो ट्रीज या मैंगो ऑर्किड पे गए हैं तो आपने देखा होगा अ स्वार्म ऑफ बीज बस्टिंग अराउंड. बहुत सारे बीज हैं मैंगो ट्रीज के आसपास. द वर्ड स्वार्म इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन हियर, क्योंकि वो एक ग्रुप को दर्शा रहा है, एक ग्रुप के बारे में बता रहा है. ओके. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज अ हर्ड ऑफ कैटल. On our highways or in the villages, it's a common scene to see a herd of cattle grazing. यहाँ पर क्या है common noun? Collective noun. The word herd is the collective noun for a group of cows or buffaloes. So यहाँ पे collective noun होगा herd. Moving on to the next example, a fleet of buses. If you've seen a group of DTC buses lined up at the bus station, that's called a fleet of buses. जहां पर भी हम बहुत सारे buses देखते हैं एक साथ बस स्टेशन में या कहीं पर भी, that is called a fleet of buses. So fleet is the collective noun here. Now the next example is a troop of monkeys. In many parts of India, especially near temples or forests, you might see a troop of monkeys. The word troop is the collective noun here. अब मंकी सारे एक साथ आते हैं, टेम्पल के आसपास होते हैं, फॉरेस्ट के आसपास होते हैं, तो वो जो ग्रुप है जो एकजुट होकर आती है उसको बोलते हैं ट्रूप ऑफ मंकीज. मंकीज के झुंड को बोलते हैं ट्रूप ऑफ मंकीज. Moving on to the next example, a crowd of people. Whether it's a festival, a cricket match, or a busy market, we often see a large crowd of people. The collective noun crowd refers to a group of people, जहां पर लोग या जनता एकजुट होकर आती है उसको हम बोलते हैं crowd. Okay, so a group of people is called a crowd of people. यहाँ पे collective noun क्या है? Crowd of people. So, to sum it all up, a collective noun is a word that allows us to talk about a group of individuals or things as one single unit. And as you have seen, we use these nouns every day without even realizing it. Whether it's a fleet of buses, a crowd of people, or a troop of monkeys, collective noun helps us communicate more effectively. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to your Teacher HD for more easy learning tips. Also, drop a comment below with any questions or examples of collective nouns you use in your daily life. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning. Thanks for watching and I'll see